Hello all of you wonderful people, and today for my first video I'm going to teach you how to do a color gradient for this pixel circle. You can really do it on any pixel art or even just smooth line art, but today I'm going to be demonstrating it on a circle. So what you want to do first, well, this is how I do it, is you want to pick your darkest color. Now what this is going to do is it's going to give you a base, and you can then work up from it from there. Now you can also do this for the lightest color or the middle color, but I personally tend to work up from the darkest part. Now this may seem strange, but you want to fill the circle with the darkest part. Now this may seem confusing, but you're going to put the gradient on in layers. So you're just going to slap on some different colors later on. Now what you want to do now is you bring it up just a tad. You don't want to make it jump up because that won't look good. Now you just take it and then put like a crescent shape. Then you take the fill tool and fill in the rest of the shape. So now you have a dark like crescent, and most of it is just the lighter part. Then you want to repeat that, so you just go a tad lighter and then put a line through here and fill it. Now you want to repeat the process. Now that already looks good, and I could end the video here. But now what I like to do is I like to add the brightest and lowest parts of the image. Let's start with the brightest. So you want to take this part, this color, and you want to make it a lot brighter. Then you take it and put it just on the rim. Just a few pixels there. Then you want to take this, the darkest color, and you want to make it a lot darker. Then you just want to go with the pixels right here. Now, when you look at the image from a distance, it actually looks like a gradient. Now this is because it sort of blends the colors together when you look from afar, which is why some blurred out images can look HD when you look at them from far away. Now that has been the tutorial on how to do a color gradient. You can do this with smooth lining, you can do it with any shapes, and you can also drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. If this helped you a lot as well, you can stick around for more videos in the future, for more tutorials on pixel art. I will also be experimenting with smooth line art and teaching you guys how to do some of my tips and tricks in that. And so if you do want to know more about how to do pixel and smooth line art, well, from my experience, then please do drop a subscribe, because this is my first video and I don't expect much from it, but it would be awesome to see people loving my first video. Thank you very much, and see ya.